Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In this video, if you're experiencing FPS drops or performance issues while gaming using an NVIDIA graphics card, then this fix is for you. I'm going to show you a simple method that can significantly improve performance and stabilize your FPS. Step 1. Disable shader cache temporarily. First, head over to your desktop, search for NVIDIA Control Panel from the Start menu. Once the Control Panel opens, click on Manage 3D Settings from the left-hand menu and make sure you're on Global Settings. Now scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down menu and set it to Disabled. Click Apply at the bottom and restart your computer. Step 2. Update NVIDIA drivers. After restarting, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA, and open the official NVIDIA app. From the left-hand menu, click on Drivers. Here, choose the driver type. Game Ready driver if you mainly use your PC for gaming. Studio driver if you use it for general work, editing, or design. Select the appropriate driver, click Download, and install it once the download is complete. Step 3. Clear DirectX shader cache. Next, open the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, and open it. Click on Clean Up System Files, then scroll down and check DirectX shader cache. Click OK, then delete files, and wait for the cleanup process to finish. Step 4. Re-enable shader cache. Now open NVIDIA Control Panel again, go back to Manage 3D Settings, and find Shader Cache Size. This time, set it back to driver default, click Apply, and restart your PC one more time. Once your system restarts, this should fix FPS drops, stuttering, and performance issues on NVIDIA GPUs. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official. Thanks for watching.